Greetings everyone, my name is Anshika. I am a student of MCom Applied Economics semester 2 and today we'll be seeing in depth about consolidation of land. So consolidation of land could be tracked by the movement known as Bhudan movement, in which we had talked about land fertility, after which the consolidation of land came into play, right? So consolidation in term refers to make joining of your fermented land into a big land, right? तो इसको हम ऐसे समझ सकते हैं कि लेट्स अज्यूम फार्मर ए की लैंड है, वो सर्टेन प्लेसेस में है, जैसे कि दिस इज़ द प्लेस वेयर ही हैज़ 1 हेक्टेयर ऑफ लैंड, यहाँ पे उसके पास 1 हेक्टेयर ऑफ लैंड है और यहाँ पे उसके पास 1 हेक्टेयर ऑफ लैंड है. So now government will do is कि now in total he will be given 3 hectare of land in this place, okay, right? तो इसके पास एक बड़ा holding of land हो जाएगा. Why is it important? We need to ask. So this is important because small lands are not inefficient of using tractors and threshers, इसलिए large land के लिए हम लोग ऑप्ट करना चाहेंगे. नंबर 2, इरीगेशन फैसिलिटी का बहुत वेस्टेड हो जाता है इफ़ यू हैव स्मॉल लैंड्स एंड हेंस अ बिग लैंड वुड बी ईजियर इन irrigation facility and stuff like this. Number 3 is efficiency, right? So when we see that people have small lands, the efficiency of farmer would eventually decrease moving from one place to another. But जब सारी land एक साथ होगी, then he can easily produce what he has to produce and the production will rise, right? Also, when we'll see that land is classified into various types, like for example, if your land comes with less than 1 hectare, we would be calling it marginal holding, and if your land is more than 10 hectares, we'll be calling it maximum holdings, right? When I am saying maximum holding, it means your land could be more than 10 hectare anything, okay, उसके आगे कुछ नहीं होता. Then we have 5 to 10 which we have different name of, and 1 to 2 which we have small holding and so on, right? Then we have to understand कि ये प्रॉब्लम को टैकल करने में इतना प्रॉब्लम क्यों हो रहा है. So this is because maybe the farmers come from a very stereotypical mindset कि farmers believe that this act of holding land in different parts is better than this act of consolidation of land, because number 1, they can easily access the land which they have got hierarchically, right? So they believe their ancestral land has more value than the land given by the government. इस चीज़ को टैकल करने के पास we don't have any solution how to make them believe that this land which we are giving is also equally important. Number 2, what mindset which they have is, what if government gives some land which is infertile, because maybe they have small holdings here and there but उनकी land fertile है. So they have this question of what if the land given by the government is infertile. These two problems are so high that many of the farmers are not willing to follow this act, okay. Also, we need to know that consolidation of land is an act passed by state. Every state has its own consolidation act, and then it can be voluntary and compulsory, okay. So states like Punjab and Haryana has compulsory consolidation of act, where you have to consolidate your land compulsory, and this is the reason why they say कि they were very good in producing wheat and rice in this green revolution period, because they made consolidation of land a mandatory. After which we can see UP, Bihar taking lead on consolidation of land holding which they have done, right? What are the benefits of consolidation of land? See, benefit is in large term if we see. So number 1 benefit, if I would like to say, is efficiency, right? So efficiency would be increased because the cost of production will drop simultaneously ना, आपको एक जगह पे ही production करना है, and then when your cost of production will drop and your production will rise, because आप एक जगह पे ही पूरा अपना effort लगा रहे हैं, और efficiency will eventually be evolved, right? The second is increase in income. See, if you have a small place and if you have a larger place, one place, तो आपकी income बढ़ने के chances ज़्यादा हैं obviously because your production will increase. Number three we can witness is poverty elevation. This is a bit typical thing to say, but poverty elevation को हम लोग इसलिए कहते हैं because when your land is restricted to one area and you have a large holding, what will happen is you will eventually get enough production, enough income from that specific land. So poverty would be elevated eventually. After seeing all this, we can understand कि see, consolidation of land is a very good act in itself. Just we have to entertain farmers, we have to educate them कि number one, they have to look forward for this thing and they should be interested into consolidating their land. Number two, it is a part of sustainable development too, because resources would be fully utilized, no wastage of resources would be seen. Number three, we can also see that when the land is restricted to certain people without being into fragments, the labor and the cost of production would be highly reduced. Hence this act has to be implemented in a larger term. Thank you.